This kit is an essential companion for any fiber optic technician, packed with everything you need for the job. Let's dive in to see what's included in this amazing kit. First up, you'll notice this rugged technician's tool backpack. It's designed to handle the toughest work environments and to keep your tools safe and organized. This backpack features 36 organizer pockets and 12 pocket straps, making it easy to store and access all your tools quickly. It also has a durable water-resistant base to protect it from the elements, and a hard molded front pocket for delicate items. And here's what's inside. A buffer tube ringer that provides quick access to fibers inside buffer tubes from 1.2 millimeters to 6 millimeters. Our ever-popular round cable strip and ring tool, designed to remove cable jackets from round cables that are 3/16 to 1 1/8 inches in diameter. An LED flashlight with zoom lens, a fiber optic drop cable slitter, a 5-pack of wet fiber wipes, and one of Jonard's most popular tools, the wiring Kevlar cutting shears part number JIC-186, a pair of high leverage diagonal cutting pliers, and the best 3-hole fiber optic stripper in the world, our part number JIC-375, a pair of long nose side cutting pliers, a mid-span slit and ring tool, designed to provide easy access to optical fibers in outer jackets and buffer tubes, ranging in sizes from 1.2 millimeters to 3.3 millimeters. And lastly, our 6-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver with Phillips and slotted bits.